A moist slice cake with the flavor of Nescafe and walnuts, which is incredibly delicious and aromatic. You can even make this cake plain, and it will still be very tasty. First of all, mix the Nescafe with warm milk and set it aside to reach room temperature. Now, separate the yolks and whites of 5 cold eggs. Beat the egg whites first at low speed with a mixer until they become fluffy. Then gradually add half of the sugar while mixing at high speed until it forms peaks. Set it aside or you can put it in the fridge. Now, beat the yolks with vanilla and the remaining sugar for 2 minutes at high speed. Add the Nescafe milk mixture and oil, and mix for about 10 seconds. Finally, add the dry ingredients along with the walnut powder and mix at low speed until smooth. Use a spatula to scrape the sides of your bowl. This is the consistency of the batter. Now, add a portion of the egg whites to this. Gently fold the mixture with a spatula in this manner to ensure everything is well combined. Then add the remaining egg whites and fold the mixture again gently until it's completely smooth. Use a hand whisk to slightly blend the mixture in this way to ensure it's well combined. Mix it. Now line your pan with parchment paper, pour your mixture into it, pop the bubbles with a wooden skewer, and place it in a preheated oven. After baking, let it cool a bit, remove it from the pan, and once set, cut it in half. Now, take the whipped cream that you had in the freezer for about a week. Once it's partially thawed, add the instant coffee to it. First, mix it on low speed for about 30 seconds, then on high speed until it fully forms. Moisten one layer of the cake with coffee milk, spread some cream on top, and smooth it out completely with a palette knife. Place the next layer on top. Press it down a bit, moisten and cream it again. For this cake, I used about 300 grams of cream. After the first layer of cream, freeze it for about an hour, then cut it. Use a serrated knife to cut around the edges first, then divide it into desired slices. I hope you make it and enjoy it. Enjoy your meal.